Welcome to the ftir.fun Infrared Learning Series. This episode, Ep29 Petrochemical, Oil Analysis and Fuel Quality. Then close with the checklist. Next, an engine checkup report from a dropper. In 2023, a heavy truck from a logistics fleet had been driven 80,000 kilometers. During routine maintenance, an oil sample was taken and sent for testing. After disassembling the engine, the mechanic found heavy carbon deposits on the injector and tiny cracks in the cylinder. Liner Fur had warned of the failure 20,000 kilometers in advance. Next, infrared characteristics of gasoline, diesel, and lubricants. 1.1 Chemical composition of petroleum products. Petroleum is a complex mixture of thousands of hydrocarbon compounds AP. Next, quantification of fuel oxygenates. 2.1 Ethanol quantification in ethanol gasoline. Ethanol gasoline, E10, contains 10% ethanol (re) and is a mainstream clean fuel worldwide. Next, lubricating oil aging monitoring. 3.1 SM2412 standard method. OSPIN2412 is the industry standard for monitoring all in-service lubricating oils. Next, in-service oil monitoring. Water engine glycol. Fuel dilution. Water contamination is one of the main causes of lubricating oil failures emission. For detection, albeit with a number 3,400 centimeters stretching method. Peak area at 3,400 centimeters in subtracted spectrum detection limit. 500 ppm, 0.05% measurement mode. Data or transmission, 0.1 millimeters liquid cell. Next, crude oil rapid assessment. 5.1 Infrared assessment of crude oil density. Correlation between API gravity and infrared spectrum sanction. Next, industry standards and job system. Table 6 AIM standards related to fur oil analysis. JOB, Joint Oil Analysis Program, is an in-service oil analysis system developed by the U.S. military and NASA aviation. Next, case study wind turbine heavy oil monitoring. A wind farm with 52 MW turbines. Gearbox oil change cost 50. 0 Chinese yuan. Turbine. Traditional scheduled oil change every 2 years may lead to over-maintenance or missed fault detection. 7.2 Stir oil monitoring plan. Next, practical experience. 8.1 Importance of baseline oil. Gasoline oil is the reference for differential analysis. Must use same batch, same formulation. New oil spectra of different batches of new oil may have slight differences. Store new oil to avoid oxidation, sealed, light-proof, low temperature. Next, zone for reflection. A differential spectrum of an in-service oil shows a strong peak at 1,710 centimeters, 28 abs, 0.1 millimeters, along with significant absorption at 1,630 centimeters. Please diagnose possible engine issues. Finally, the drill actualists. Make sure you can recall each item. Core knowledge points. Key points. Gasoline features. 2,960, 2,924, 1,600, 1,500. Aromatic ring. 1,377, 1,465. CHCH. Diesel features. 720, long chain CH. Strong. Wichromatics. Base oil classification. 2 pp all no aromatics. Esters have 1,735 centimeters. Ethanol quantification. Estrin 5845, 1,050 centimeters. Coal. 5 minutes. The quantification. 1,200 centimeters. Co-C. Biodiesel quantification. 14,078. 1,740 centimeters. Ester C equals O. Estumi 2412. Standard for trend analysis of in-service oils. Oxidation value. 1,710 centimeters. Difference spectrum. 25 apps. 0.1 millimeters severe. Titration value. 1,630 centimeters. Indicates no blowby. Sulfation value 1150 centimeters. S equals O stretch. Water detection 3400 centimeters. Detection limit 500 ppm. S engine glycol 1140 cm double peak. Fuel dilution 750-800 centimeters. Detection limit on 2%. Post military oil monitoring system with warning danger thresholds. Trend analysis single value limited significance. Trend ice core. That covers the required sample for this episode. Practice with real spectra on ftir.fun and continue with the next lesson.